Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, November 10th, 2014, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Dow Jones Industrial Average made another record high today, climbing over the 17,600 mark. Wow, isn't that fantastic? And we were butchered today. I gotta admit, this has got to be some of the most frustrating and unnerving trading that I have done in a very long time. I just cannot quite understand what is going on. We had positive $7,000 in open trade equity on Friday, and we came into this morning and it looked fantastic. We were up just over $10,000 in open trade shortly after the open, and we had just, by far the majority of the positions we had were showing very nice profits. And then, and you've heard me say this again, it all just started melting down. It didn't make any difference what the overall market was going. We had extreme volatility in many of the stocks we're trading, and in the end we had one trade in Sears Holding Corporation went to over $8,000 loss. I mean, we don't have many losses like that, believe me, but to make it even worse, we had two trades that went to over $4,000 loss. We were just butchered. We had $20,000 in losing trades. Now, we had good trades to offset that, fortunately. So the bottom line is we got out with about $10,000 negative in closed out trades. But hey, you can't make money doing that. I mean, that's still a really bad day for me. And but it isn't just the money, it's watching these profits go to losses while I'm just trading my system. And today I literally saw positive $10,000 go to negative $10,000 in a few hours. And I'm a short-time trader. I don't hang on to stuff, but just got killed. And I feel very bad about that, obviously, and I'm unnerved. We are carrying, the positive part about this is we are carrying positive over $5,000 into tomorrow, but after having positive $7,000 on Friday and then seeing what happened today, I'm not too sure just how happy I am if I want to start turning cartwheels about being positive $5,000, because obviously in these very volatile stocks that we are holding, this could change very quickly, but I hope it goes well. Anyway, the Dow gained almost 40 points today, and as I say, set record highs. Let's take a look. Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average here, which we use basically to measure the health of the overall market. The indexes are all doing pretty much about the same thing. You can see this climb here. It keeps going up some every single day, and today included. I look at this thing's got to give way here. It's got to come down, and I pray it goes down, because we're not going to make, and the way things are going, this entire climb here, we have just been killed. I mean, and nothing is working out for us at these levels. The darn market is just too high, and everything that goes up gets sold. And our style to hang on to things for part of the second day just has not been working, while this pattern has been going on. But I've been here before, and I know it will turn around, but it's very, very tough and very frustrating to trade. I'll just show you a few of the things. I'll show you the worst thing first. This is just horrible. This is in SHLD, Sears Holdings Corporation, and of course on Friday we had this huge gap up, and we do buy gaps. Usually that works very nicely for us, but it looked horrible this time. We got in here, and on Friday it just couldn't rally back up there. It sold off some. We were holding quite a heavy loss there, but then, you know, this morning, absolutely terrible. This thing goes down. As I say, $8,000 loss. So we cannot sustain many $8,000 losses. That's about as bad as it gets. And then, almost as frustrating as that was this kind of pattern, and I saw this in just stock after stock after stock we were holding. As I say, we're up over $10,000 on the open this morning, or close shortly thereafter, and that included that horrible position in Sears Holding. So we're up, and this is one of the reasons why. This is CPE, Callon Petroleum, and this was never profitable for us. We got this in this on Friday toward the end of the day, and this morning, ever so briefly, Callon Petroleum was a little bit profitable, but then it just sunk. And this is what we're doing. We're hanging on to these, expecting that they might go higher, and this thing just fell out of bed. By the time we got out of that, we were down $4,500 on that, a bad loss. And I had another $4,500 loser in there too. Combine that with Sears Holding, and we're butchered today. Anyway, not everything was bad, and if I add the closeout trades to the open trade equity, we basically only lost $5,000. But as I say, the way things are going, I don't know if that's anything to brag about. I will show you one good position so I don't leave on such a negative note. As I say, we had a lot of good trades today, and if we hadn't had a lot of good trades, we would have been just totally killed. This is BlackBerry, and we bought that on Friday, so we were coming into today holding long BlackBerry, which on Friday didn't look like it was going too far. Look at this huge, monstrous gap. This thing just really took off, and we are holding close to $3,000 in open trade equity in BlackBerry. So, as I say, I just take a deep breath and try to remain calm. But I tell you, this is very, very tough trading. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday.